Now from this video lecture we are going to discuss about the male reproductive system, which is explained by the help of this given diagram. So in the male reproductive system we have already discussed about the different components also. A pair of testes which act as the primary sex organ and found this sorry this these testes are found inside the scrotum and extra abdominal cavity, and inside the extra abdominal cavity, the scrotum, the testes are remain fixed with the help of a structure which is known as gubernaculum. And from the testes, after formation of sperm, the sperm remain collected into the epididymis, and here they remain stored for several times till they are required outside the body or till they are required during the sexual intercourse. So this sperm remains stored into the epididymis. It means epididymis is the storage house or storage duct of the sperm. Then from the epididymis, the sperm get transferred through the vas deferens, and vas deferens collect or carry this sperm and reach near the first gland, that is the seminal vesicle, and at the place where the duct of seminal vesicle join with the vas deferens, the vas deferens becomes swelled somewhat, and that swelling is known as an ampulla. Means ampulla is the place where the duct of seminal vesicle join with the vas deferens. Then it continue towards the urethra, and that duct is known as ejaculatory duct. And when the ejaculatory duct join with the urethra, which is coming from the urinary bladder, then the duct, a common duct form for the urine as well as the sperm. It is known as urinogenital duct. Then at the same place where the urethra and the ejaculatory duct join together, a gland which is known as prostate gland present or open into the urinogenital duct to release their secretion. Then the urinogenital duct again continue and surrounded by a muscular skin, and the structure form it is known as the penis, which is the external genitalia, and at the base of penis there is a pair of gland which is known as vulvourethral gland present, and that vulvourethral gland also release secretion, and the secretion of these three glands, that is seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle is a paired gland. We will also observe in the left side. Here in the diagram we have not draw the tube or the epididymis as well as vas deferens in the left side. So when we draw the duct towards the left side, we will also observe another seminal vesicle or the paired form of seminal vesicle. So seminal vesicle, prostate gland and the vulvourethral gland mix their secretion into the sperm, and that secretion is known as the seminal plasma, which consists of fructose, calcium ion as well as some enzymes which are responsible for the survival of sperm outside the body. So then when these glands release their secretion into the duct along with the sperm. That combination is known as the semen. So the semen comes out from the body and or comes out from the male reproductive system to mix into the part, which is the result of insemination to transfer the male gamete into the female reproductive tract. Here in the penis, the external genitalia, some additional structure also consists. The tip of penis, it is made up of highly sensitive skin, which is known as lens penis, which is covered by a loose fold of skin, which is known as foreskin. And the opening of the urogenital duct outside the body through the penis, it is known as urethral meatus. So this is all about the male reproductive system of human being.